Hello friends, welcome to Clipping Amazon Photoshop tutorial. Today we will learn how to give neon text effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, drag and drop a background photo. Try to take a dark background to make the effect beautiful. Now, select the background layer and click on Adjustment layer for the bottom of right side and go to Gradient. Select the black and transparent color. Style radial, angle size 12. And don't forget to click on reverse and press OK. If you think the darkness is more, then make the opacity lower a bit. Now make a group of gradient fill layer and the main layer. Give it a name. I'm naming it as background. Now select the ellipse tool. Make the fill color off and stroke color 1. And draw a circle pressing Shift from keyboard. Give a stroke size. Then make a duplicate layer of it and set it inside of the circle. Give a stroke size a bit lower than the first one. Then take the type tool. Select fonts and white color first for text and write your text in the following ways. You can also design it as the way you want. Here we can see the text is overlapping the circles. So, we want to remove the circles from these parts. For it, add layer mask for both circle layers. And take rectangle marquee tool and select the area. We want to make this area black. So we will take black color and will press Alt plus backspace from keyboard. And here's the result. Now change the text color as per your desire, as well as the circle. Now I am going to select the first text layer. We'll go to blending mode. Before working, I wanna say that I will go through the same ways for text and circles. Let's move to the work. Select bevel and emboss. I will keep a style, inner bevel and techniques is smooth. Then depth, size, soften and other things will be same for each text. Don't forget to take white color for shadow mode. After working on that, we will go for drop shadow. Here the blending mode will be multiply, opacity 40, angle 30, distance 21, spread 0 and size 80. And these limits will be same for each text too. Now make duplicate layer of this text and click Clear Layer Style. Then go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Set a perfect limits for it. Now make a group of both two layers and give a name. As I told before, I will follow the same process for all texts. Here I am. Now for circles, the bevel and ambush will be same. We will change a bit in drop shadow. Here we only change the distance and size, which will be 2 and 21, and the rest are same. After doing all these things, if you think it is not glowing properly, then take a layer and keep it just up of the background layer. And then take brush tool, set color. Make the opacity lower and brush like this way. The neon text effect is done. If you think this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.